How to log out email from Google Photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application. Google Photos is used for automatically backing up photos and videos to the cloud, enabling users to store and access them across devices. You can view all your backed up photos and videos on Google over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. Here, tap on the downwards arrow as shown. Then, tap on Manage Accounts on this device below. Now, go over to the account you want to remove and then tap on Remove from this device below it. Tap on Remove again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily log out email from Google Photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.